My video guide will help you to remove the browser advertisements as intrusive push notifications that are related to the site Ucationininanceen.xyz. Ucationininanceen.xyz. It is quite clear that the name of this website doesn't really make any sense. However, the website is extremely malicious. It tries to make you click on this special allow button integrated into it. The website tells that you should do that for the purpose of age verification or for proving that you are not a robot or for some other reasons. But clicking on the allow button would immediately hijack the browser and would forward you to some other deceptive or dangerous page in the internet. So if you have mistakenly done that, if you have clicked on the allow button, you'll start facing the great number of intrusive ads in the right bottom part of the screen. To stop these ads, you need to implement some browser fixes. Access the menu, go to Settings, select Privacy and Security Site Settings. Then in Permissions, choose Notifications and carefully research the list of the sites allowed to send notifications. You may find this malicious site in this list, so click on this button and remove the malicious site from the list, as well as other dangerous pages causing such troubles on your screen. I also recommend you to research the system additionally with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. It will help you to detect and delete other threats that could be possibly hidden on your computer. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Download the application, install the software, and begin the checkup of your computer to detect and delete other hidden infections and make your computer great again. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, you need to select your preferred scan type. However, the trial version only gives you the quick scan option, even though the premium one has got full scan and custom scan too. Click on the Start Scan button to begin the detailed investigation of your computer. The quick scan will be in progress and it may take a while until the quick scan is completed. While the quick scan is taking place, you may experiment with certain settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. It has got the powerful anti-ransomware feature. You may select a special folder where you may have all your files stored in a safe place and protected against all possible ransomware attacks. So you may add this folder and keep your files protected in it. However, this feature again is the part of the premium version only. After the scanning is completed, the program will give you the detailed summary of all threats on your computer and their exact location. Some of these threats may be related to your available browsers like Google Chrome or Firefox. Combo Cleaner will help you to fix your browsers. In fact, all the browsers that have troubles can be easily fixed by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. And what's more important, Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete more serious threats like ransomware. And as I have said, it will help you to protect your data from being damaged and infected in the future. So, enjoy Combo Cleaner. Consider upgrading to the premium version of the software to make sure that all your data is in the safe place.